Hello and thanks for watching this video. In this video we're going to talk about pages. In another video we briefly discovered discussed the difference between posts and pages, and basically pages are going to be static content that has no intent or chance of evolution. So for example, an About You page. That's not really a page that you're probably going to change a whole lot, and you're probably not going to let people comment on it, and it's going to be a fixed piece of information that you want all users to know. So the About page is very common. Again, you can edit it, quick edit it, view or delete it when you mouse over it, and it'll let you know who the author of the page was. But where does this show up? It shows up on your front end under Pages, and you'll see there's the About page, and if you click on that, it'll give you the default page on your WordPress installation. It just says this is an example of a WordPress page. You could edit this to put information about yourself or site so readers know where you are coming from. You can create as many pages like this, one or sub-pages, as you like, and manage all of your content inside of WordPress. So that is basically where your pages go. And let's just go ahead and go into the About page and click Edit and see what that looks like. You'll notice that it very similar to making posts. When you click Add New on Posts, you're going to get this box, which is basically a miniature HTML editor. Even in your About pages, you can use these icons up here to insert pictures, videos, or music. You can have custom fields just like on Posts, and you actually can allow discussion options on there, like allow comments or allowed pings. I would normally take the comments off and just make it a static page, especially if it's an About You page, or like I said, something that there really is no advantage to have people comment on, like a post, for example. And then also off to the right here you have different attributes, and the parent category, basically this is what it says. You can arrange your pages in hierarchies. For example, you could have an About page that has Life Story and My Dog pages under it, and the cool thing is there's no limits to how deeply nested you can make these pages. Also, depending on the custom template you have or the template that you're using, there are going to be some themes that you can use, and they'll be available in this drop down box, and basically that's going to give certain additional features and functionalities to these pages on some custom layouts. This is kind of more advanced in my mind. You can just leave it by saying default template, and of course you can tell how you want it ordered. By default they're going to be ordered alphabetically, but of course there's a lot of situations where maybe you want the list of links that go under the pages section to not be alphabetical. Maybe you have a specific arrangement for that. That's where you'd specify that is in the order here. So 0 of course being the first. And that's really basically how you make pages. And just like edit on posts and edit on your links, the edit on the pages is going to show you the bucket of all your pages, which again is a little bit different than your posts. And they're going to show up in a different section on your site, and you're going to have options to do different things with that section. So that is basically how you create pages, and I'm going to go ahead and cut the video here and move on to some of the comment options that you have. Thanks for watching.